Hiring the wrong developer can drain your startup's budget faster than you think. I've seen people waste over $100 on bad hires. That's not just money, it's lost time and missed chances. Let's dive into the tough questions you need to ask to avoid making a mistake that could cost you big. Welcome to GotYourTech.ai. Non-technical founders crash and burn. Non-technical founders crash and burn in developer interviews because they get lost in the weeds of tech jargon. Instead of zeroing in on how someone solves real-world problems, they ask about frameworks and buzzwords. Take Shopify. When they were growing fast, they didn't just look for candidates who knew certain languages. They wanted problem solvers who could adapt to changing needs. Many founders miss this point and focus on the wrong stuff. For instance, a startup I consulted for spent $150K on interviews, but ended up hiring a developer who couldn't deliver on their promises. This led to a delay in their product launch, costing them an additional $200 in lost revenue. Another example is a tech company that spent $2.3 million in recruitment costs over 2 years, but hired a team that lacked synergy. They eventually pivoted, realizing they should have focused on cultural fit and practical skills instead. Even a well-known company like Airbnb has faced similar challenges, where they emphasize skills over cultural fit in early hires, leading to team dysfunction. If you want to avoid these rookie mistakes, go to GotYourTech.ai. We make it our job to help founders like you get it right. We provide tailored interview frameworks that focus on practical skills, ensuring you hire developers who can actually contribute to your project. When you're interviewing developers, ditch the generic questions. Instead, ask them to spill the beans on a tricky problem they tackled and how they dealt with it. Figma gets it right by throwing candidates into real-life scenarios, like a coding challenge that mirrors what they'll face on the job. It's a smart way to see if they can actually code and think on their feet. A lot of founders we work with at GotYourTech.ai have picked up on this tactic to spot the right talent. For example, one client, an e-commerce startup, adopted this method and found a developer who not only scored well on the challenge, but also improved their site speed by 30%, leading to a $1.5 million increase in sales over the next quarter. Another client, a SaaS company, implemented a similar strategy and discovered a developer who optimized their back-end processes, resulting in a 40% reduction in server costs, saving them $500 annually. Even companies like Stripe have successfully integrated practical assessments into their hiring process, ensuring they select candidates who can deliver immediate value. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, don't hesitate to bring in a pro to help sift through candidates. It'll make your hiring process a whole lot smoother. Remember, hiring is an investment, and making the right choice can save you hundreds of thousands of dollars in the long run. Stop leaving your hiring to chance. Use proven strategies, or you'll regret it later. If you want to make the right call, go to GotYourTech.ai. You'll find the kind of support that helps you build a killer team. Don't wait. Improve your hiring outcomes now. Improve your hiring outcomes now.